Hi friends, my name is Hope Cody with the Writing and Communication Center, and today we're going to talk about overcoming writer's block. So who gets writer's block? What is it? Writer's block is the feeling when you just don't know what to do next on your paper. You're at a standstill in where to go. Everyone gets writer's block. Just because you feel this way doesn't mean that you're a bad writer or that your assignment is going to turn out poorly. We all get frustrated sometimes, and so just because you're experiencing these emotions does not mean that it's going to turn out poorly, and we're here to help with that. So we're going to jump right in and talk about different ways to address your writer's block. The first is organization and outlining. So for me personally, when I get writer's block working on papers, it is very helpful for me to focus on what I do know rather than what I don't. So being able to take the information that I do have and turn it into an outline or some sort of organizational chart is helpful for me to be able to see what I do have. That way I can see the gaps and work from there. So the first organizational structure that we're going to look at is a mind map. So basically all these shapes start in the middle. You're going to start with your main topic of your paper, your assignment in the center, and then just branch off with different shapes of what you know or what needs to be included or what you think you might want to include. Really, this is just for you. You'll hardly ever be asked to turn this in. So whatever is helpful for you, being able to branch off and think, oh, I know a lot about marketing. Let me talk about all of these things in this. Or I maybe don't know as much about the product, so I need to research more there. Being able to actually just see on a map what your paper looks like can be really helpful to spark ideas and to get more information so that you can write a paper effectively. Next is outlining. So the mind map that we just looked at can easily be turned into an outline, but you can also just go straight for the outline. So whereas the center bubble was your main topic, the outline, that's going to be the title, and then you can do your subpoints or requirements for your assignment as your major portions of your outline, followed by with what you know or what you need to include under those subtopics. You can, after making an outline, just add sources and sentences and information, and that can turn straight into your paper. Next is free writing. So for me, free writing sounds very frustrating, but that's kind of the point. So when you experience writer's block, you might be very frustrated. So free writing might be helpful, even if it's not about your paper, but just writing whatever comes to mind and being able to express those feelings of frustration or inadequacy or whatever you might be struggling with. Being able to express those a little bit can help you get out of your head and help you work on your paper. You can also free write about the things that you are writing on in your assignment. And when you write on those things, you can take those and turn them into a mind map or into an outline or just put them directly in your paper. Next is exercising and getting out of your head. So being stuck in the same room looking at the same computer for hours can be exhausting, and that might be part of the reason that you're frustrated or experiencing writer's block. So it's always helpful to take a break, to exercise, to walk around, and to just get out of your head, take a break from it for a minute, and then come back and revisit your project. So with all of these strategies, you'll have to figure out which one works best for you, but you've got it, you can figure it out, and you have all the tools you need to write a successful paper or project or finish your assignment. If you need any additional help, you can always contact us at the Writing and Communication Center. So here's some information on the Writing and Communication Center. You can just click right here and make an appointment, and we would be happy to meet with you.